Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Review Viral. Today I'm going to tell you about iPhone SE 2, iPhone SE 2020. Apple launches new iPhone SE 2020 on April 15th. Officially, they are posted in their website. It cost around $399. iPhone SE is a powerful new smartphone in a powerful design. It looks like almost iPhone 8 design. The most affordable iPhone features A13 Bionic, the fastest chipset in a smartphone, and best single camera system in the iPhone. It's a capture California. Apple today announced that second generation iPhone SE, the powerful new iPhone featured with a 4.7-inch Retina HD display, which a Touch ID for industry. I, Touch ID industry has a security unlock. It comes with a compact design from the inside out and is the most affordable iPhone. The iPhone USC powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chipset, the fastest chipset in a smartphone to handle the most demanding tasks. iPhone SE also features the best single camera system even in iPhone, which unlocks the benefits of computational photography and most portrait mode and designed to withstand the elements which dust and water resistance. It comes with the three beautiful colors. One is black and one is white and third one is product red. It will be available at the pre-order beginning on Friday, April 17th, and starting price is just 399 US dollars. iPhone SE was hit with many customers who loved its unique combination of small size, high-end performance, affordable price. The new second generation iPhone SE builds on the great idea and improve on it in every way. Best ever single camera system, great photo and video quality, still being very affordable. Said by Phil Skeller, Apple Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing. iPhone SE features the industry-leading performance of A13 Bionic chipset, enable the great battery life, take stunning portrait mode and smart HDR photos, shooting amazing videos with stereo audio. It's great for games and super fast super surfing and is built with the same industry-leading security features our customers expect. We can wait to get iPhone SE into our customers' hand. The powerful design, it has 4.7-inch display, a, aerospace grade aluminum and durable glass design with all black front and available in a black, white and red product red colors with a glass finish and Apple logo. And the 4.7-inch Retina HD display, adjustable white balance match, all like we experience on Gym Retina HD display offer incredible color accuracy and support Dolby Vision HDR10 playback. It also features familiar home button design with a sapphire crystal to durable and protect the scenario and steel ring to detect a user's fingerprint touch ID. Using Touch ID in easy, private, secure alternative to entering passcode unlock iPhone. And the coming to chipset, it comes with a A13 Bionic fast chipset in a smartphone. iPhone 11 Pro has A13 Bionic is the fastest chipset ever in the smartphone, provides unparalleled performance for every task iPhone SE handled. iPhone A13 Bionic make every action feel liquid. Uh, the A13 Bionic was built with a focus on machine learning with dedicated 8 core natural engine capable of 5 trillion operations per second. Built of efficiency, A13 Bionic also enable get battery life for iPhone SE wireless charging cable with QS certified charged and also support fast charging, giving customers up to 50% charge in 30 minutes. It's a great news, man. Lighting fast download speed available with Wi-Fi 6 and gigabit class LTE. Dual SIM with eSIM provides the flexibility for user to have two separate phone number on single device which travel abroad to use a business line. And coming to camera experience for by A13. SC features the best single camera system ever in iPhone with a 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture wide camera and uses the image signal processor and neural engine of A13 Bionic to unlock even more benefits of computational photography, including portrait mode. 6 portrait lighting effects depend on control using machine learning and manual depth estimations. iPhone SE also takes stunning portrait with the front camera. Next generation smartphone comes with iPhone SE intelligent relighting recognize subject in frame for more natural looking image stunning highlights. It comes to the video quality. It has a 4K resolution. Camera supports high quality video capture like 4K up to 60 fps, and extending dynamic range comes to iPhone SE more more highlight details up to 30 fps. Customers can also take advantage of quick take videos on front and rear cameras, allowing video record without switching out photo mode. Uh, Camera photo features in iOS 13. Native editing is even more comprehensive and intuitive throughout powerful tools that were once available only for photo editing. Everything Apple has offered. iPhone S gives customers access Apple's robot ecosystem production. 2 million apps on the App Store include the best third-party apps for AR experience. Apple TV Plus stream over 60 million songs and favorite artists on Apple Music. iPhone SE also compatible with more than 25 lighting access including camera, accessories, audio, speaker, dock, CarPlay and more. iPhone SE is built with the same industry-leading security features and customers experience from Apple protection privacy and Touch ID security. Young Lens protects fingerprint data, intelligent tracking, prevention, Safari, Health Spot. It has a front and and it has a 7 megapixel front camera. It comes with the three variants. One is 64 GB, 128 GB, and 250 GB model. And the basic price range starts from $399. It was coming with Apple TV Plus available in Apple TV app on iPhone. And customers with a question about iPhone SE, which iPhone is right for them, can contact specialists. These are the complete features of iPhone SE, which was launched in